Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit photo with a cinematic effect. Okay, go to the file and then open. Here is my stock image, this one, and I downloaded this stock image from the freepik.com and I'll give you the download link in my video description. Okay, let's start. At first I'll crop it. Okay, the crop ratio will be the 16:9, and then just go to the upper side. Okay, hit the tick button. After that, go to the filter and camera raw filter. Before that, make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl Z or drag and drop this one. Then filter, camera raw filter. Go to the camera calibration, make it like that, and okay, increase the saturation, reduce the saturation of red, and go to the HSL. Saturation will be reduce this one and add some luminance and reduce the luminance of red and increase this one. After that, add some the amount of the vignette. Okay, let's see the before and after. Go to the color lookup option and the horror blue color. The opposite will be like that. After that, go to the file and place embedded option. Here is my light collection and choose this light. Okay, make it bigger and make it skin. That's good, and take it in the lower side of this layer and go to the level and adjust the light of this picture. Okay, this one is our image, and after this one, after this and this one, finally we got it. And just select all the layers by pressing Ctrl G and make it merge. Filter and camera raw filter again, and add some, reduce some highlight and give some amount of, okay, that's good, and hit the OK button. Before that, you should increase the amount of sharpness and luminance and hit the OK button. Okay, that's good. I think the previous one and the present one. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial, and this one is the basic color edit and the cinematic effect on your photo. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I am ASM Arif signing out till the next video. Bye bye.